Welcome to Ngobo Shop channel. Thank you so much for making sure that you support the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click that subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. This is Ngobo Shop channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 3, Baroka FC 1, Nedbank Cup. My brother, how's it?
I'm good in yourself.
Good, man. Your take on the game?
The game was good, fair play. The boys played very well.
Yeah.
The football that they know, and then that's why we got those results. Hundreds.
What is that is different that you did today that you couldn't do at Loftus?
At Loftus, they came prepared. I won't lie.
Yeah.
They studied our play, and then they knew our weaknesses. And our strength as well.
Yeah.
So that's why we managed to score at least one, and then they managed to score 4.
Yeah.
So we were on game, but what I can say, they studied us very well. So that's what got them those results.
Exactly. Yeah.
That's it.
And then today, who was your man of the match?
The game was wide open. My man of the match, I would say, my guy, Nchebe.
Yeah, Makhaula.
Makhaula. Always on the game.
Beautiful.
That guy, there's so famous players who look him down. They said he's Madala and what.
All that, yeah.
But if he's on the pitch, wide open, if he catches the ball, he looks around. He doesn't just pass the player in front of him.
Beautiful.
Looking around.
Yeah. No, thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you, my guy.
Hey, tada.